Good morning, class. Let us resume the online teaching learning process. In the previous session, in the previous video tutorial, we have learned how to prevent ourselves from cyber attack. We have seen that there are different types of measures are there to prevent ourselves from cyber attack. Let us continue the same topic today also. Now, the next point is clear browsers cookies frequently. Now here the term is cookies. What do you mean by cookies? Cookies are nothing but it is a temporarily downloaded file from the website which stores in your local computer. Cookies are meant to store the information related to the activities performed during the browsing, such as login details, details of shopping cart, visited page of the websites and other personal information. Therefore, whenever you will complete your operations, you need to refresh your computer before leaving the computers for other use. I hope that you have understand that what is cookies. Cookies are nothing but it is a temporarily downloaded files. Cookies stores the informations related to your personal informations like login details, details of shopping carts, visited page in the websites. It stores in others informations also. Many informations are there whichever you have given to the websites. Understand? Now how you will clear the cookies? The first one is that you just open the Google Chrome. There you type the Chrome, go to the setting, clear the browsing data, check mark in this cookies and other site data and click over here clear data. Then your cookies will be deleted or your computer will get refreshed, your page will be refreshed. Another option is that click on this three dot, you will get an option of setting. Go there, click on setting, then you will get cookies and other site data. Check box on this one and click on clear data. I hope that you have understand. Next, install firewall. Actually, install firewalls. Many of the operating system by default have the firewall like Windows, Mac operating system, Ubuntu. All these have the default firewall. Now what is firewall? Firewall is nothing but it is a software and the hardware that helps to keep our network secure. Secure. It is just act as a traffic police. It does not allow the unauthorized networks to access your computer system. I hope that you have understand what is firewall. I repeat again, firewall is nothing but it is a software and the hardware which help in keeping a network secure. Is to work like a policeman which does not allow unauthorized network to access your computer system. I hope that you have understand. Next, never install software from unknown place. Sometimes we know that when you are browsing something, just after some time you will get a pop-up sound and some of the unknown type of the software is emerge over there which allow you to install it. But if you don't know the purpose of that software, please ignore such type of the software. Such type of software can harm your computer system and it can take the informations from your mobile phone. So better never to install such type of software. They are called as malware, that is the malicious software. I hope that you have understand it. Next, password. You all are familiar with this word password. I hope that you know the what is the password is. Technically, password can be termed as a key of code. Key of code. You know the password. You generally use the password in the to open your email and other applications. But in technically, password is nothing but is a key of code that protect your valuable contents and documents or file from unauthorized person. It helps us to keep many of your belongings, means yours or documents, secure or secret. Understand? In the next class we will learn this type of the password we need to keep so that the others will not hack your computer. Now I have given you some of the exercise here that write short answer questions. What are the various here is an spelling mistake. Wait, here is an spelling QUESTIONS questions. Now what are the various measures to reduce the cyber attacks? In the previous class we have learned about this one. What is firewall? Just now I have dictated. What are the various categories of the cyber crimes? You need to find it out first. And what is malware? In the previous online teaching learning process I have discussed about the malware also. Malware is a malicious software. Now I hope that you have understand all these things. You need to write these notes also, and at the end you just do this exercise for your revision work also. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.